Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold jockstraps. Today I got 3 methods that I want to share with you. One quick and easy, file fold, and then a roll. Let's start out with a quick and easy one first. This is the flat fold, it's the easiest way that you can use to fold your little jockstraps here. Start out by taking your jockstrap and laying it down with the backside facing up like this. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to split the jockstrap into 3 parts here. So imagine that the band here is the full length. So when we split it in 3, we fold one side in first, and then we fold the other side over it so it overlaps it completely. Now at this point, just make sure that these don't start twisting and turning. From here, I'm going to split it into 3 parts again, but this time from top to bottom. And I'm going to start from bottom, folding it up 1/3 of the way, and then fold it over one more time. Now make sure that it goes a little bit over the top here, otherwise these bands may start acting out, falling apart. So there you have it, the flat fold, simple, easy, really quick to do, but it doesn't travel very well. Perhaps you're bringing this to the gym or football practice. Not entirely sure what these are used for, haven't tried them before. Kind of excited to test them out though, so maybe I'll keep you updated on that. So the next fold that I want to show you is the file fold. Now this is a fun one. I was having a little bit fun making this. What's so nice about this one is that you can stack them next to each other in your dresser. Easy to pick out, easy to organize, popularized by Marie Kondo. But we needed to make some modifications to do it on jockstraps. They're not the easiest thing to fold. So to file fold these jockstraps, let's start out by laying them with the back side facing up like we did for the last fold as well. Now from here we are going to split it into 3 parts again from side to side. So folding it in 1/3 of the way, all the way here at the waistband. Now I'm going to take the other side of the waistband and I'm going to fold it in again like this. At this point we need to make sure that these bands here at the back doesn't start twisting and getting entangled. So from here what we are going to do is that I'm actually going to take this top part here with the waistband and I'm going to fold that down. So no need to fold it far, just fold it over so that the entire waistband is folded over. Now from here we are going to split it into 3 parts again like we did in the last fold. So folding it up 1/3 of the way, 1/3 of the way. Now here comes the cool part with this fold. I'm going to lift up the top layer here of the waistband, right? And I'm going to take this bottom part and I'm going to stuff it inside. Now what this is going to do is that it's going to secure it nicely in place. Just make sure you're getting good and nice in there in the edges. No need to be fast with this in the beginning. If it looks uneven like this, what you can do is kind of stuff your thumbs in there, just kind of massage it, a little Norwegian massage on it here, and you should make it nice and even in no time. Now this is going to hold together really nicely as well. You can even pack this if you want to, not going to fall apart. So that's a good option for you, stacks really nicely in your wardrobe. Lastly, let's have a look at a roll. You know me, have to do the rolls. This is going to be the best way if you don't want them to fall apart. If you're going to travel with this thing, that's the best option. So let me show you my variation of the roll for jockstraps. Again, we're going to start by placing them with the back side facing up here. And for this fold, I'm going to take the entire waistband here and I'm going to flip it underneath the jockstrap like this. From here, again, splitting it into 3 parts and folding the waistband over 1/3 of the way here. If it pulls a little bit of the fabric of the jockstrap, I guess, that's fine, totally fine. So do the same thing on the other side so it completely overlaps. Now from here, making sure again that these bands here at the bottom are nice and even. And from the bottom of the bands we start rolling up. Now you don't need to do this very tightly, little bit of tightness may help. And make sure that these don't slide out as you roll up, so you want them to stay as they did when you folded them over. Once you reach the top, take one hand and lift it up like this. And now you're going to take your other hand and you're going to flop this thing over on one side at a time. This. Once you've done that, you see it falls apart easily, so you need to hold onto it really nice and tightly. Take one of your hands and turn it around like this. And then you can fold it over on the other side as well. Secure it in place. Now, same thing goes as like the previous fold, the file fold. You may want to stuff your thumbs in here and kind of adjust it and make it nice and even. This is the most difficult fold, so just keep in mind, don't get discouraged if you have to practice this one maybe 2 or 3 times before you make it look reasonably nice. What's cool about this fold is that you can actually flatten out the bottom and you can place these standing up on your table like this. If you have, for example, boxer briefs and any other type of underwear, this stacks really nicely next to all the other types of underwear. But I teach more about that in like the free. Go to organizing.tv/free and you can pick up a free folding cheat sheet with like step-by-step instructions on how to fold a bunch of clothes. I don't think I have Jockstraps in there yet, but yeah, that's a good one. There I also teach you like how to organize your wardrobe in like 7 days to save space in like an order like this, so you can place everything standing up. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it was fun to try something new here. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.